Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Sorry, I was having a drink. Hey guys, yeah, I only just found out apparently I'm nominated for a streamer award. First time, I'm not gonna lie. That was completely unexpected. I didn't even think I qualified for that, to be honest. But hey guys, to those that don't know, we have been nominated for a streamer award. I think before we start, hey, we'll actually go over them. We'll put our votes in tonight. And yeah, big surprise, chat. Genuinely a big surprise to me. I don't know how you even qualify for those things at all. So genuinely, yeah, it was a surprise. So I was out all day today. My eldest daughter had her like athletics day, so I was kind of just, family things as you do. And I get home and my phone just starts going absolutely nuts. And I don't know what's going on, why. And then I get a message. Or I see it all over Twitter, eh? And I haven't really checked any of the videos out, and then I got told we've been nominated for Streamer Awards. Like, I'll say it again, I genuinely don't know how we got in at all. How we came about getting in that section. But here we are. Hidden Gems chat is apparently the section we're in. Your family must be stoked. Well, they don't know. That's the thing. So I think before we start, whoever nominated me for the Hidden Gems section, I thank you. I didn't think I deserved anything like this. But yeah, we'll go over this first and then we'll run it, eh? We'll run the reading stream. And thank you to all those that have messaged me as well and said they voted for me too. But yeah, it's a very big surprise to me. I should probably do it Insta real way, just saying I'm live. But how's everyone's day been? I still don't understand how I got in, eh? Like, genuinely. It's definitely come as a shock to me. Like when I saw it, when I saw the video of the hidden gem thing, at the same time I was like, am I a hidden gem? I started to second guess myself. Like, do I even deserve to be in this category? But then I started thinking about it and I thought, it's not really up to me at the end of the day, so I think I'll just leave it as that. You do? Oh, thanks guys. Yeah, it's sorry, I'm just a bit surprised at it all, eh? Genuinely surprised at this whole situation. I'm the boulder. Okay, before we get into the reading stream, definitely a hidden gem diamond in there. I'm pretty sure some big name streamers nominated you. I know XQC nominated me, but that was for the arts section. I don't know. I don't know who else it was. But I don't want to be that guy and fish on YouTube and look for reactions and all that. But I'll just do my votes, and then we'll get into reading The Hobbit, eh? Okay, here we go. So, best music streamer. I'll be honest, I don't really watch much music streamers. Did you? Yeah, I know XQC put me down for whatever the arts section was. Because someone sent me the clip. I don't really... I don't know, I feel like Black Boy Max probably be the play for this. I don't really watch too much music streamers, I'll be honest. I'm gonna vote for Max. Yeah, it was this one that XQC put me under. Obviously, didn't make the cut. So we got Billy the Burr, Rose Doodle, I Gumdrop, Emiru, and Dizzy Kitten. The ear mic is throwing me off there, Dizzy Kitten. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm sorry. It's the ear mic for me that's making me go the other way. Who do we vote for? Emiru is quite popular. Yeah, she does like a lot of cosplays and all that, eh? And besides the controversy around her and all, mate. Yeah, I'll probably go Emiru, eh? I was thinking the same thing. Best role player, you already know I gotta vote for Kibben. I genuinely hope he wins this. Like, genuinely, I hope Mr. K wins this, because I'll be honest, he deserves to win this like how many bloody years ago. So yeah, I'm gonna go Mr. K. Hope he gets it. Best MOBA streamer. I'll be honest, I voted for my boy Plain Sunday to be in this category. Cage Rule. Isn't this the guy that has to shave his head because SKT won? This is him, eh? Thank you, Kitty Pie. Yeah, honestly, it's genuinely a surprise to me, and congrats to all those that were nominated in the category as well. I am the one that melted my heart the most in the hidden gem section is probably the nanny who does the puzzles. I'm probably gonna vote for her. I'm not obviously gonna vote for myself. That's weird. Okay, yeah, this is the guy that needs to shave his head because he's bet against SKT. Eh? I'm not voting for him because he bet against SKT. Don't ever doubt my Demon King. Yeah, Gaming Duck. We're about to get to that soon. Hold up. Okay, just the half time. Tico in my language means shit. just putting that out there. Okay, who's the other guys? He's gonna punch him. Gonna get a triple? Nice! Oh, this dude is... Wait, is this the new guy? I like this dude. I'm gonna vote for him. I'm voting for the new guy. I'm voting for the new guy. Energy. I'm voting for the new guy. Damn, dude. Okay, I'm gonna vote for Red Bull. Here we go, guys. So this is the section we got put in. Hidden Gem, I'm not obviously gonna play a video of myself on my own stream because that is cringe. So, here are the other nominees if you do decide to vote for anyone else in the category. So we'll go through them.
I'm not gonna break my neck.
Whoa. Holy hicka. Oh, there's nothing wrong with that friggin'. I'm not gonna say bad things about it. Him, I'll say both. Those gems are not hidden. Okay, we got Mahoodles as well. Quick delete your history? No, never.
Little green guys. Sometimes it's rocks just cruising the skies. 3-eye Atlas drifting, interstellar chill. No saucers here, just physics and will. We love the unknown, but let's keep it tight. Signs people hype, we're searching right. From comets to stars, that's the real foundation.
Is she Australian? I hear her.
Blips an alien station.
Yeah, I hear Australian. I was gonna say I hear a hint of Australian, but they just solidified it. The Australian twang along with the great white shark. Australia. Yeah, I was thinking I was gonna vote for her.
A stream has value. Sharing somebody with somebody else has value, right? Not everybody can come in and gift a bunch of subs or donate a bunch of money, but your presence is a present, right? That. Your presence is a gift.
I appreciate that from Nanny. I'm probably gonna vote for her, I'm not gonna lie.
Carrot, where are you looking?
I feel like that was non-intentional as well, which makes it even funnier.
Let a man look at his wife's tits, okay?
True, I'll do that too.
Appreciating his wife's boobs.
Okay, I'm gonna vote for Nan, okay? Shout out to I Just Love Puzzles. Okay, now we got the BR Lords. I don't really watch much people these days, other than... Well, Aussie Antics has shown me love, so I think I'm just gonna go for Aussie. I know, sorry to all the Clicks followers out there. Clicks is probably gonna win anyway. Will you go to the rewards if I don't have to pay for it? Yes. If I don't, unfortunately, I'm gonna stay in bed dead instead. Thank you, Mad Ferocious. Yeah, Ninja's still on. Best fighting game. Wait, Max is not in here? Okay, I feel like we're gonna be watching clips, chats, just so we can see who we can go for. Oh, is this a bit of a geef diff? Love me a geef slam, eh? GG. Nice!
Holy shit, dude.
Good old Zangief.
Teammate did some shit and saved me.
Oh, here we go. This Echo's gonna just...
Cinema. Teammate did some shit.
Okay, here we go. Unfortunately, there's gonna be game stuff on my YouTube because of this, but... It's all good. Hope you're doing well there, YouTube. Congrats on top 5 nominated. Thank you very much, everyone on YouTube. It's come as a surprise to me as well. Like, genuinely.
Oh my god!
No fucking way. Are you kidding me?
Damn. That was a badass play.
You are crazy.
They have a video thing you can watch. Yeah. So we'll go through the videos to see who we're gonna go for, and then kind of go from there.
I like legs as any other fucking piece of shit! You and your stupid long legs! Stupid sexy long legs! Grip them around my face. Squeeze my... Okay.
Based.
Let me lay on your lap.
Base Lady PG. I'm going for that one, bro. Okay, best MMORPG. Soda poppin', soda poppin' regardless, chat. Soda poppin' regardless for me. How we doing, YouTube? What's up, Pablo? Best speedrunner. Anyone... Oh, we better just watch the clips, eh? Ooh, onion knight armor and an anchor?
Give me the crit.
He's gonna get a big chunk, eh?
Come on. There it is. Oh my lord.
Do you wood carve? Yes, during the day. During the day I do Whakairo. Hey, congrats on your nomination. Good to see you in the mix. Thank you, NZ lad. You are genuinely a surprise to me too, brother. Like, I wasn't sure if I was gonna push it or not, but I think I might show. Oh, it's a Zelda player. I have to go with. Oh, damn!
Maybe I should reroll. Okay, in that case.
Yeah, I was too nervous whether I should post it and share it on all my socials or not. But I think I'm going to. You know, just give it a go. I you know, I'm not trying to aim to win. But, you know, I'll give it a go. I don't mind if I don't win at all.
Bro, I did the exact same mistake.
I prefer it over... Oh, all good picking. You're going to see me stream here a lot. Maybe not this kind of stuff. This is just special for tonight. I'm doing a reading stream tonight, but I just found out that I got voted for or nominated for a streamer award, so I thought the best thing to do is choose who to vote for with you guys before we start. Wait, we just watched this one.
Can we be smooth with this really quick?
What's going on here? I'm so confused.
I'm gonna shove a door up my ass. I just restarted the.
Pay close attention to him in the mic.
I'm gonna shove a door up my ass. I just restarted the.
I wasn't looking at the game at all. I was just looking at him and his mic. And was jacking it off. You got my vote. I heard and followed you as a result. Oh, cheers, brother NZ lad. Congrats on the nomination. Thanks, Big Brown. Thank you, brother. We're going through all the nominations before we start reading. Damn, I want to go for the Zelda guy or the mic guy. Who do we go for? I'll leave it to you guys. Twitch, YouTube, Kick. I'll leave it to you guys. Out of the two, ZFG1 or Pizzy. Before my beard hairs go white, please. I think even if you don't go to the awards, then I think you have to do a thank you video in case you win. Oh, yeah, okay. Like, for, you know, I'm not trying to say I'm gonna win, but say if I did, I'd probably just acknowledge the nominees more. I'm gonna go for the Zelda guy. Hello, window. Frozen, there we go. Best sports streamer. Oh, Ginge, Angry Ginge. I might just go Angry Ginge. Best Minecraft streamer. What's up, person? Congratulations. Thank you, Smithy Rico. Thank you. Also, after the reading stream, we have another surprise for you this evening. Well, it's the only surprise from me. Most of all on YouTube, okay? It is Monday, if you didn't see the message. Good times with Scar. Who do we go for? Kia ora, usual. I genuinely don't watch a lot of Minecraft streamers unless people are doing like that hardcore run. Who should we vote for? I don't know if I want to watch all the videos because we still got to get to reading. I don't want to keep you waiting for too long. I'm just waiting for one name. Pungy? Oh, it's fair for me. Well, what is that flag though?
You would be like this.
Oh, okay. Never mind. I thought it was the bros. The other bros flag. Corey is great. Oh, okay, I'll just vote for him. Best Marvel rivals. Okay, there's only one true answer to this, and it's my boy Naughty Lifts. Go and give him a follow on Twitch. NAUTILIFTS. That's my boy right there. He's practically the only Marvel rival streamer I'll ever watch. Shout out to my boy Naughty. Who would I go for? I'm probably gonna go Bogo. Flat, I've only known Flats for Overwatch. I know he's playing Marvel Rivals, and Tim just plays every game under the sun. Big Puffer. Let's watch the clips, eh? Sorry, I know I wasn't supposed to do this.
Wanna try a little cheeky something something?
Some 1.0 Doctor Strange.
They're portaling, they're portaling, they're portaling. They're portaling. I'm gonna counter portal it.
Oh.
That's my strength. That's my strength.
That's my fucking stream.
Oh.
Easy as fucking easy.
Okay, that was pretty clean. That was pretty clean. Rage out, bro. Rage out. Oh, he's gonna come back and clean the whole team out. I never played. He done it again. Unlucky. Okay, here's the winner. Here's the winner. This is who I'm voting for. This is the only based armor in this answer in this category. Oh, Tim's got the pose going down. I feel like he's gonna get clapped there. Okay, never mind. He's gonna just demolish everybody. You turn on dark mode. How do you do that? Oh, there. Wait, is this like the day one clips? Must be, eh?
Content, right? You do your thing. You do your thing.
Let's go out with a bang, guys. It's
Natio? No, my wife.
They TP'd. Watch this.
okay.
Okay, he's gonna... Chief on Zoho. Oh, the launch cannon thing. That's clean.
Fuck you.
Fuck you. Fuck you. I'm trying to kill.
I'm sorry, but the Venom clip won me over, alright? Best FP Peanut. Don't even ask me. Peanut. Peanut is the only answer. Best strategy gamer. Ooh. I only know Northern Lion in here. Yeah, I only know Northern Lion. Yeah, I was thinking the same thing. Yeah, let's go Northern Island. Northern Island. Northern Lion. Best reality streamer. I don't actually watch any of these guys, but you know, I know of them. I know of them. Anyone? I don't know who to vote for. Might just vote for Ray. Okay, best IRL streamer, Speed. Yeah, Speed. Best vertical. Oh, okay. Best vertical streamer. Streamers who create the most engaging and entertaining vertical format. Okay, here we go. No volume. Oh, it's a TikTok. No wonder. Oh, are they all TikTok? Oh, hold up. Can I change that? Clear. Sorry. What is go? Oh, is she trying to be Trevor?
Where the hell are we? Is he in a dress?
Oh, I find the deer that pissed on me, I'm gonna eat its warm liver.
What?
Bro, this dude just... I've actually never played base... I actually haven't played base game GTA.
Better luck. What's this?
Our man is losing it. His ass so fat.
Did my little men's makeup routine, so you know what time it is.
Ooh, that's a good fit. As a hunter myself, this guy may have got me. Show me something good. Elfit. Elfit. Where's the coat at, man? I'd probably just go hunting in that. Oh, One Piece, can't play that. This guy. Oh, game of the year. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Now we are getting into the nitty gritty. So we have Marvel Rivals Expedition 33, Schedule 1, Peak, and Repo. Okay, well, I'll be honest, I feel like Expedition 33 is pretty good. Peak and Repo. With some pretty peak content moments too. But if I had to choose one, then probably 33, even though I haven't played it. Best content group. Yo, Chimma bro, thank you for the 55 months. Hey, shush. Never. Thank you for the 55 months, my bro. We're just going through some votes before we start reading. For me personally, there's no one, that's kind of gone off than these guys. I mean, FaZe has been popping off for the month, but like all year, I'd say AMP. Best international streamer. I'm gonna go Tumblr because he's got a Red Bull head on. Best stream duo. Sea Dog and Iron Mouse. Oh, okay. Let's be honest. Even I was a fan of this one. Kai Cenat and LeBron James. This was genuinely the best collab, I think, of the year for me. I mean, it's LeBron James.
Last one, guys. Last one.
LeBron James will always be known as the person that made Kai Cenat look like the diddler. Okay, best marathon stream. Ooh. This is a hard one. This is a hard one for me. I really like Speed's one. I watched a bit of Mafiathon 3 and a little bit of FaZe Subathon 2. I think, for me personally, this is just me. I'm gonna go for Speed's one. This is just for me. Best streamer event. Ooh, okay. Kai Cenat Streamer University. I didn't really like Streamer University that much. It was just loud. Just loud, bro. This one or I'll go Ludwig's one. Best stream series. I'm always gonna support Maya. Best VTuber, Peanut. Let's not even bother, asking why. That is my bungalow right there. Best variety streamer. For me, Queso. I definitely watch Queso quite a bit. Best just chatting. Who do I watch in just chatting the most? Probably this guy. XQC voted for me in the art section, so I'm voting for him and just chatting. Rising Star Award. Ooh. I'm probably gonna go Reggie. Real KDB. Wait, is this the girl that's continuing to do the 4-year, like, subathon thing? Or, like, just continuously streaming? Is that her? Oh. I can't remember if it is. Oh, what just happened?
Like, I might as well go up now, since I'm playing the game. Oh, no, full cam. Boom, boom. Reactions. I do believe... Did Mimi have some bourbon? She's big red wine. She had hella red wine. That's her shit. You're the only woman streamer that doesn't make me want to touch myself. Thank you.
Oh my fucking
not.
god, who's
I
the
don't know.
idiot that said that?
Okay. A little bigger. Right?
She was giving me Malibu's Most Wanted vibes.
You can't even hear donos. I can read donos. Elliot, thank
I can read donos.
Pretend to touch your toes. Maybe it will just rip. I'm not that fat. Okay?
Brother man just fully extended the last belt. Who's this? Isn't this Jason the Ween's old booth hanger? Edu, you'd know, eh? You're more cultured than I am. I only know this guy from the Silver Surfer thing. Okay. It looks very hot in that room. I don't know who to vote for. Yeah, I genuinely don't know who to vote for. I'm just gonna go Katie. Her clip was pretty funny. Best breakout streamer of the year. Probably this nutcase here. Man, he's out the gate, eh? But I guess, you know, that's the thing that, you know, entices people to want to watch. Wendy Motion, hey, isn't this the lady that didn't want to be a mum anymore? Hold up. Isn't this the lady that didn't want to be a mum anymore? I remember seeing a clip. I don't think I want to be a mum anymore, bro. 2 months was enough. Isn't this her? Pass at 140 miles an hour. I'm gonna vote for this little out the gate fella here. Ooh, this is a hard one. League of the Owner. It's either between Maya and Stock Guy. Why Stock Guy? Because he gave me a sandwich out of his back pocket at TwitchCon. And Maya just because... But it was just clip out a joke. You don't joke about that stuff with me as a parent. That is not a joke to me. The Sapphire Award. Recognizing the best female or marginalized gender streamer of 2025. This award goes to the streamer who shines against the odds in a male-dominated industry and has excelled in entertaining at the highest level this past year. Eddie, you're the White Knight. Who do I go for? I feel like I've seen her around heaps. Them two. One thing I know about Extra Emily, she was cooking a steak in the car park. She's pretty out the gate too, eh? Yeah, okay. Emily? Okay, let's go for Emily. Gamer of the Year. Oh! Fuck, this is a hard one, because these 3 people that are watching this. Summit, Queso, and Peanut. Fuck. Let's watch the clips, eh? Let's watch the clips. I knew it was gonna
How you doing? 4 hours.
This is why I watch him, bro.
Got you right there. Thank you so much. Hey, go somewhere, Atlas. Hey, how you doing, Jude? Okay, 8 hours, senior with a slide pass. Got you right here. Thank you so much. Hey, Alexandria, how you doing? 4 hours, adult with a slide pass. Thank you so much, Alexandria. Appreciate you. What's good, Banks? How you doing, Banks?
You got my very keep. Hey, thank you, sir. Gig of shit. Appreciate you, brother.
How you doing?
Appreciate you, brother. Yeah, I'm just watching the people that I want to vote for.
Doing it right now.
Oh, way
deciding on
back
what I wanna
to
grab. I guess it's just the
way
super
back to
belt.
OnlyFans.
I'll never really need
OnlyFans,
it.
sorry.
I'll have it, I guess. Ding ding.
Oh shit.
There it is.
That was the second 60.
You know, not that.
He ran that shit back.
Hell yeah, brother.
We made it back.
Yeah, that was the second 60 in OnlyFans.
Nah.
When Judd got his character killed.
You want to go do Ubers now? Right? Maybe? No, just kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
The vibes were so good.
Let me send you this cloth back.
Okay. Sorry, brother Summit. I was expecting an FPS one.
Let him have it. Let him have it.
Madness!
Activating my ultimate.
Oh no, I got hit by it.
I got you. Got you. Got you.
Insane. Careful, I got Vegas. Oh, I'm dead.
Come on.
Dodging.
Beat the shit out of him. No way. What are you doing? Yes! Yes! That's what I'm talking about, baby!
Oh, this is hard.
That's what the IGL does. That's what the IGL does.
I don't know. I feel like the queso clip is funnier. Me personally. Oh man, this is hard, bro. I think I'm gonna go queso. Because I genuinely enjoy watching all three of those guys. Yeah, between queso and peanut. Can we see the only clip? Yeah, sure. Probably an unboxing.
After that,
Yeah.
we're gonna see some more than weapon cases for 661 Scarpet and $1 million AK. And then Sparkle Jesus also got a surprise.
Hey, what's up, No Justice?
I'm unaware, I don't even know what it is. Go to it.
Neither of us. Any of us know.
Are you fucking
Rain
Stop pulling on the door!
So good.
What the fuck?
Blood and nine.
Can someone explain this in World of Warcraft terms? What does that mean? Yeah, bro, it's 80 pixel, bro. You know 100% it's gonna be an unboxing clip.
God, M9! I love you too, M9 Bayonet. I love you too.
Oh my lord.
Remember? First
Oh,
M9 that I
yeah.
unboxed, I said I love this shape and it's a W knife. Jesus, you said it's the best one. Yes, it is.
Yes, it is
Guys.
the best knife. And
Guys.
I'm God.
So is it the equivalent of getting Thunder Fury Blessed Blade of the Windseeker? Queso, by the way. Streamer of the year. Ooh. Has Speed won one yet? How you doing? Not too bad, Justice. Not too bad. We're just doing our voting before we start reading. Hey, appreciate you. Is it Tricks Push? I hope I said that right, brother. Yeah, has Speed won one yet? Yeah, I feel like it's between these three. Don't get me wrong, Jason and Plague Boy have oh, the Speed win last year, really? Yo, Mateo! Appreciate you for the raid, my brother. Before you go, bro, can you go over and vote and click on Hidden Gems, my bro, and vote for your boy? So I want you to click on here, bro. Go to your voting system and I want you to look for Hidden Gems, my bro. Hidden Gems right there, and vote for me. I didn't want to vote for myself because that's just weird. Are you doing the reading stream? Yeah, I will be. Yeah, I will be. Yeah, I'm not voting for myself on my own stream. I'm not weird. Vote for yourself? Hell no, I ain't doing that. Okay. Our last one. A lot of streamers did, yeah, but I'm the 1% that's not going to. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna vote for iShow Speed. I think. Oh, let's see the clips, eh? Okay, it's not showing. I'm on YouTube. Oh, when he drops it onto me. But doesn't he do that all the time, though?
Bro. Joke. Turkish joke. Joke, bro. Turkish joke. Stop fucking playing! Oh my god, my heart dropped to my ass, bro.
Did I really on stream? Appreciate you, brother. Appreciate you. Oh, I don't want to see that Billy in the ass in it anyway. They got his 300k? Okay, that's got music, so I don't want to play it too much. Is he gonna hit this? Okay, I'm going speed. That's it. We're done. Hope you's all, you know, agree with my picks. Let me just save it and submit all. Hey, thank you very much to all those that have voted for me too. No, I appreciate you for doing that. Where's our book at? So this is what we're going to be reading tonight, okay? We're going to carry on with the Hobbit. All our votes are done. I don't need to focus on anything else now. Just let everyone else do it. Let's close all of these. My wife also voted for me too, so W wife. Okay. Are we ready? So last time we left off, they got into the mountain. Smaug is thinking about burning Lake Town. That's his plan. He's thinking about burning Lake Town. I think that was it, eh? Vote for yourself. That is not weird. It just felt weird voting for myself, eh? Okay. Now we're on chapter 13. Not at Home is the name of this chapter. So we're going to start. And, Eddie, we'll cut out that whole section of the VOD and just chuck it on YouTube. Just so everyone can see it. Alright. We're ready. Chapter 13, Not at Home. In the meanwhile, the dwarves sat in darkness, and utter silence fell about them. Little they ate, and little they spoke. They could not count the passing of time, and they scarcely dared to move. For the whisper of their voices echoed and rustled in the tunnel, and they dozed. They woke still to darkness and to silence going on unbroken. And last, after days and days of waiting, as it seemed, when they were becoming choked in days for the want of air, they could bear it no longer. They would almost have welcomed sounds from below of the dragon's return. In the silence they feared some cunning devilry of his, but they could not sit there forever. Thorin spoke. "Let us try the door," he said. "I must feel the wind on my face soon or die. I think I would rather be smashed by Smaug in the open than suffocate in here." Anyone know what mic he's using? A Rode mic. Hope that helps. I think I would rather... Oh, I know. Where are we? So several of the dwarves got up and groped back to where the door had been. But they found at the upper end of the tunnel that had been shattered and blocked with broken rock, neither key nor the magic it had once obeyed would ever open the door again. "We are trapped," they groaned. "This is the end. We shall die here." But somehow, just when the dwarves were most desperately despairing, Bilbo felt a strange lightening of the heart, as if a heavy weight had gone from under his waistcoat. "Come, come," he said. "While there's life, there's hope. As my father used to say, and third time pays for all. I am going down to the tunnel once again. I have been that way twice, when I knew there was a dragon at the other end, so it will risk a third visit when I'm no longer sure. Anyway, the only way out is down, and I think that the time you had better all come with me." In desperation they agreed, and Thorin was the first to go forward by Bilbo's side. "Now do be careful," whispered the hobbit, "and as quiet as you can be. There may be no Smaug at the bottom, but then again, there may be. Don't let us take unnecessary risks." Here we go. Down they went. The dwarves could not, of course, compared with the hobbit in real stealth. And they made a deal of puffing and shuffling, which echoes magnified alarmingly. But though every now and then Bilbo, in fear, stopped and listened, not a sound stirred below. Near the bottom, as well as he could judge, Bilbo slipped off on his ring and went ahead. But he did not need it, and the darkness was complete, and they were all invisible. Ring or no ring, in fact, so black it was that the hobbit came to the opening unexpectedly, put his hand on air, stumbled forward, and rolled headlong into the hall. There he lay face downwards on the floor, and he did not dare to get up, or hardly even to breathe. But nothing moved. There was not a gleam of light unless, as it seemed to him, when at last he slowly raised his head, there was a pale white glint above him and far off in the gloom, but certainly it was not a spark of dragonfire, though the worm stench was heavy in the place, and the taste of vapour was on his tongue, and at length Mr. Baggins could bear it no longer. "Confound you, Smaug, you worm!" he screeched out loud. "Stop playing hide and seek. Give me a light and then eat me if you can catch me." Bro, this dude playing with fire, bro. Cheer, brother master. Hope you're having a good day, my bro. Faint echoes ran round the unseen hall, but there was no answer. Bilbo got up and found that he did not know in what direction to turn. Turns page. "Now I wonder what on earth Smaug is playing at," he said. "He is not home today, or tonight, or whatever it is, I do believe. If Oin and Gloin had not lost their tinderboxes, perhaps we can make a little light, and have a look around before the luck turns." "Light," he cried. "Can anybody make light?" The dwarves, of course, were very alarmed when Bilbo fell forward down the step with a bump into the hall, and they sat huddled just where he had left them at the end of the tunnel. Yo, hello Toxin, thank you very much for the raid. Welcome on through to the stream. My name is Brox, I'm a traditional Maori woodcarver, and we are reading this evening. Hope you had a wonderful stream. Welcome on through, and it is good to see everyone. Good to see you. How you been, Hollow? How you been, brother? Once again, Fano, if you can, go through and give Hollow a follow as well. Hey there, right. Let me put our Christmas decor up too. There we go. There we go. Hey, what's up, boxers? Welcome through, guys. Welcome through. We're just going through The Hobbit. I think we're going to finish The Hobbit this week, and then we'll move into Lord of the Rings as well. Around 11:30, I have a surprise for you guys. A W community, Hollow, thank you very much for coming through and bringing everyone as well, brother. I'm good, very tired, but pretty stoked to be back streaming. Oh, nice, brother. Yeah, bloody internet in Northland, eh? What up? Thank you for the shouty. All good, brother. It's story time. Welcome through, Hotaro. How are you, my friend? How are you? Okay, are we ready to carry on? Here we go. Shh, shh, they said. When they heard his voice and thought that helped the hobbit to find out where they were. It was some time before he could get anything else out of them, but in the end, when Bilbo actually began to stamp on the floor and screamed out, "Light!" at the top of his shrill voice, Thorin gave way and Oin and Gloin were sent back to their bundles at the top of the tunnel. After a while, a twinkling gleam showed them, returning Oin with a small pine torch, a light in his hand, and Gloin with a bundle of other under his arms. Quickly Bilbo trotted to the door and took the torch. But he could not persuade the dwarves to light the others or to come and join him yet. As Thorin carefully explained, Mr. Baggins was still officially the expert burglar and investigator. If he liked to risk a light, that was his affair. They wouldn't wait in the tunnel for his report, so they sat near the door and watched. They saw the little dark shape of the hobbit start across the floor, holding his tiny light aloft. Every now and again, while he was still near enough, they caught a glint and a tinkle as he stumbled on some golden thing. The light grew smaller as he wandered away into the vast hall. Then it began to rise, dancing into the air. Bilbo was climbing the great mound of treasure. Soon he stood up at the top and still went on. Then they saw the halt and stop for a moment, but they did not know the reason. It was the Arkenstone, the heart of the mountain. So Bilbo guessed from Thorin's description, but indeed there could not be two such gems. Even if so, marvellous a hoard even all in the world. Ever as he climbed, the same white gleam had shone before him and drawn his feet towards it. Slowly it grew to a little globe of pallid light. Now as he came near, it had tinged with a flickering sparkle of many colours at the surface. Reflected and splintered from the wavering light of his torch. At last he looked down upon it, and he caught his breath. The great jewel shone before his feet in his own inner light, and yet, cut and fashioned by the dwarves who had dug it from the heart of the mountain long ago. It took all light that fell upon it and changed into 10,000 sparks of white radiance, shot with glints of rainbow. I wonder how much Arkenstone will be these days, eh? Hey, Danarox. Doing great, man. Thanks, Hey, good to hear, my bro. Suddenly, Bilbo's arms went towards it, drawn by its enchantment. His small hand would not close around it, for it was a large and heavy gem. But he lifted it, shut his eyes, and put it in the deepest pocket. Now I am a burglar indeed, thought he. But I suppose I must tell the dwarves about it sometime. They did say I could pick and choose my own share, and I think I would choose this, if they took all the rest. All the same, he had an uncomfortable feeling that the picking and choosing had not really been meant to include this marvellous gem, and that trouble would yet come for it. It's true, so he swiped it ages ago. I mean, like, in the movie, he's talking to Smaug when he takes it. And then eventually, it shows a clip of him swiping it when he's running away from him. Now he went on again. Down the other side of the great mound he climbed, and the spark of his torch vanished from the sight of the watching dwarves. But soon they saw it far in the distance. Bilbo was crossing the floor of the hall. He went on until he came back to the great doors at the farther side, and there a draught of air refreshed him, but it almost puffed out his light. He peeped timidly through and caught a glimpse of a great passage and the dim beginnings of wide stairs going up into the gloom. Damn. Getting hot ears. He went on until he came to the great doors at the further side, and there a draught of air refreshed him. Hey, thank you very much there, Hick and Bees. Cheers, brother. Yeah, we just went through all our votes and voted for everyone. And you went through our category as well. I voted for the puzzle lady. And caught a glimpse of a great passage and of the dim beginning of wide stairs going up into the gloom, and still there was no sight nor sound of Smaug. He was just going to turn and go back when a black shape swooped at him and brushed his face. Damn, Smaug's here. He squeaked, then started, stumbled backwards and fell. His torch dropped head downwards and went out. Only a bit, I suppose, in hope, he said miserably. But now what am I to do? Which is east, south, north, or west? Thorin, Balin, Oin, Gloin, Philly, and Killy, he cried as loud as he could. Yo, Creeper Cat, thank you very much for the Optimus Prime getting us started for the evening as well. Thank you very much, man. And to those that have voted for me in the Stream Awards category 2, I want to say thank you very much. I want to say thank you very much as well. Thank you. Let me just message one of the mods. Right, there we go. What you reading? We're reading The Hobbit. Reading The Hobbit, and we're almost at the end. Hey, thank you, Creeper Cat. Appreciate you, brother. Okay, it seemed a thin little noise in the wide blackness. The light's gone out. Someone come and find me and help me. For the moment his courage had failed altogether. Faintly the dwarves heard his small cries, though the only word they could catch was help. Now what on earth or under it has happened? Oh, what on earth or under it has happened? Said Thorin. Certainly not a dragon, or he would not go on squeaking. They waited a moment or two, and still there were no dragon noises, no sound at all, in fact, but Bilbo's distant voice. Come on, one of you, get another light or two. Thorin ordered. It seems we have to go and help our burglar. It is about our turn to help, said Balin, and I'm quite willing to go. Anyway, I expect it to be safe for the moment. Gloin lit several more torches, and then they all crept out one by one, and went along the wall as hurriedly as they could. It was not long before they met Bilbo himself, back towards them. His wits had quickly returned as soon as he saw the twinkle of their lights. Only a bat and a dropped torch, nothing worse, he said, in answer of their questions. They were much relieved that they were included to be grumpy and being frightened for nothing. But they would have said, if he had told them at that moment about the Arkenstone, I don't know, the mere fleeting glimpse of the treasure which they had caught as they went along had rekindled all the fire of their dwarvish hearts. And when the heart of a dwarf, even the most respectable, is wakened by gold and by jewels, it grows suddenly bold, and he may become fierce. The dwarves indeed no longer need any urging. All were now eager to explore the hall while they had the chance, and willing to believe that. For the present Smaug was away from home. Each now gripped a light torch, and they gazed first on one side and then on one another. They forgot fear and even caution. They spoke aloud and cried out to one another, as they lifted old treasures from the mound or from the wall and held them in the light, caressing and fingering them. Oh, Lord have mercy. Billy and Kelly were almost in a merry mood, and finding still hanging their many gold harps strung with silver, they took them and struck them. And being magical, also untouched by the dragon, who had small interest in music. They were still in tune. The dark hall was filled with a melody that had long been silent, but most of the dwarves were more practical. They gathered gems and stuffed their pockets and let what they could not carry fall back through their fingers. With a sigh, Thorin was not least among these, but always he searched from one side of something which he could not find. It was the Arkenstone, but he spoke of it yet to no one. Now the dwarves took down mail and weapons from the walls and armed themselves. Royal indeed did Thorin look, clad in a coat of gold-plated rings, with a silver-hafted axe and a belt crusted with scarlet stones. Damn, this dude is going for the transmog! Storytime, Bronx. Hey, appreciate you, brother. What's up, Hick and Bees? Hey, what's up, Tia? Bedtime story? If you want to see it like that, it's all good. Mr. Buggins, he cried. Here's the first payment of your reward. Cast off your coat and put on this. With that he put on Bilbo a small coat of mail, wrought for some young elf prince long ago. It was of silver steel, which the elves called mithril, and with it went a belt of pearls and crystals, a light helm of figured leather, and strengthened beneath with hoops of steel, and studded about the brim with white gems was set upon the hobbit's head. I feel magnificent, he thought, but I expect I look rather absurd. How they would laugh on the hill at home. Still, I wish there was a looking glass handy. What does that mean? Like a nice glass handle? Handy sounds a bit... All the same, Mr. Baggins kept his head more clear of the bewitchment of the hoard than the dwarves did. Long before the dwarves were tired of examining the treasures, he became weary of it and sat down on the floor. And he began to wonder nervously what the end of it all would be. I would give a good many of these precious goblets, he thought. Hold up. For a drink of something cheering out of one of the Bjorn's wooden bowls. Thorin, he cried out loud, what's next? We are armed, but what good has any armor even been before against Smaug the Dreadful? This treasure is not yet won back. We are not looking for gold yet, but for a way of escape, and we have tempted luck too long. You speak the truth, answered Thorin. Recovering wits, let us go. I will guide you. Not in 1,000 years should I forget the ways of this palace. Then he hailed the others. They then gathered together, and holding their torches above their heads, they passed through the gaping doors, not without many a backward glance of longing. Their glittering mail they had covered again with their old cloaks, and their bright helmets there with tattered hoods, and one by one they walked behind Thorin, a line of little glits in the darkness that halted often, listening in fear of once more for any rumour of the dragon's coming. Where's Smaug, bro? I feel like he's going to turn up soon, eh? Is it any different from the movie? Bro, they've left out a lot. They left out a lot in the movie compared to the book. Obviously, at the same time, you know, they can't add everything from the book. They got a budget. But yeah, man. Some of the little things within the book has been pretty cool. Pretty cool indeed. We have an announcement in an hour and a bit, okay? Actually, I'll be nice and make it 11 o'clock. So it's 10:18 now. And then we'll have a little announcement for you guys. Though all the old adornments were long moulded and destroyed, and though all the walls befouled and blasted with the comings and goings of the monster, Thorin knew every passage and every turn. They climbed long stairs and turned and went down wide echoing ways, and turned again and climbed yet more stairs and yet more stairs again. These were smooth, cut out of the living rock, broad and fair, and up the dwarves went, and they met no sign of any living thing, only furtive shadows that fled from the approach of their torches fluttering in the draughts. Hey, cruising up all the way in Brisbane. Tēnā koe, bro. Hope you're doing good. The steps were not made all the same for hobbit legs, and Bilbo was just feeling that he could go on no longer, when suddenly the roof sprang high and far beyond the reach of their torchlight. A white glimmer could be seen coming through some opening far above, and the air smelt sweeter. Before then the light came dimmingly through great doors, and hung twisted on their hinges and half burnt. This is the great chamber of... This is the great chamber of Thror, said Thorin. The hall of feasting and of council, not far off now to the front gate. They passed through the ruined chamber. Tables were rotting there, chairs and benches were laying there overturned, charred, and decaying. Skulls and bones were open on the floor among the flagons and bowls and broken drinking horns and dust. As they came through yet more doors, at the further end a sound of water fell upon their ears, and the grey light grew suddenly more full. Thank you, Yo, with Scoob. Thank you, brother. It has genuinely been a momentous day, my bro, because I'll be honest, I have I've been away all day, and then I come home and then my phone goes absolutely ballistic, and then I find out that that I've been nominated for a Streamer Award, which has never happened for me before, and at the same time a lot of amazing nominees as well. I ended up voting for the Puzzle Lady. I didn't vote for myself. Thank you very much, Saggy. Good luck, mate. Thank you, Tia. Yeah, I wasn't gonna push it, but I guess I'll give it a go. We'll see how we go. I'll promote it on all my socials. And if we win, we win. If we don't, we don't. You know, life goes on. We carry on anyway. But for now, we are going to read this book. Yeah, so if you don't know, to anyone that hasn't seen, the link is in the chat. I'll post it on the other platforms we're live on as well. So go through and give us a vote. Yeah, so you'll see a pinned message in the Twitch chat, so that's where you can go. Easy, brother. Easy, easy. Just seeing how much of the book we have left. Not much. Thank you, Vroom. Okay. There is birth of a running river, said Thorin. From here it hastens to the gate. Let us follow it. Out of the dark opening in a wall of rock there issued a boiling water, and it flowed swirling in a narrow channel carved and made straight and deep by the cunning of ancient hands. Beside it ran a stone-paved road, wide enough for many men abreast. Swiftly along this they ran, and round this wide sweeping turn, and behold, before them they stood in the broad light of day. In front of there rose a tall arch, still showing the fragments of old caravan work within, worn and splintered and blackened through though it was. A misty sun sent its pale light between the arms of the mountain, and beams of gold fell on the pavement and the threshold. A whirl of bats frightened from slumber by their smoking torches flurried over them as they sprang forward, their feet slithered on, stones rubbed smooth and slimmed by the passing of the dragon. Now before them the water fell noisily outward and foamed down towards the valley. They flung, holy shit, I can't even read. They flung their pale torches to the ground, and stood gazing out with dazzled eyes. They were come to the front of the gate and looking out upon Dale. Well, said Bilbo, I never expected to be looking out of this door, and I never expected to be so pleased to see the sun again, and I feel the wind on my face, but ow, this wind is cold. Here's my vote. Thank you, brother. It was a bitter easterly breeze blew with the threat of oncoming winter. It swirled over the arms of the mountain into the valley, and sighed among the rocks after their long time in the swing depths of the dragon-haunted caverns. They shivered in the sun. Suddenly Bilbo realized that he was not only tired, but also very hungry indeed. It seems to be a late morning, he said, and so I suppose it is more or less breakfast time, if there's any breakfast to have. But I don't feel that Smaug's front doorstep is the safest place for a meal. Do let's go somewhere where we can sit quite quiet for a bit. Quite right, said Balin, and I think I know which way we should go. We ought to make for the old lookout post at the southwest corner of the mountain. How far's that? Asked the hobbit. 5 hours' march, I should think. It would be rough on going the road from the gate along the left edge of the stream. Seems all broken up. But look down there. The river loops suddenly east across Dale in front of the ruined tower. At that point there was once a bridge leading to the stairs that climbed up the right of the bank. And so, to a road running towards Raven Hill, there's a path that left the road and climbed up to the post. A hard climb, too, even if the old steps are still there. Dear me, grumbled the hobbit. More walking and more climbing without breakfast. I wonder how many breakfasts and other meals we have missed inside that nasty, clockless, timeless hole. Thanks, Brother Hickenbees. I'm trying to do voices along the way, so it's not so meh as we read. As a matter of fact, 2 nights and the day between had gone by, and not altogether without food, since the dragon smashed the door, but Bilbo had quite lost count, and it might have been 1 night or a week of nights for all that they could tell. Holy tongue-twisting myself. Come, said Thorin. His spirits had begun to rise again, as he rattled the precious stone in his pockets. Don't call my palace a nasty hole. You wait till it has been cleaned and redecorated. That won't be till Smaug's dead. Now that won't be till Smaug's dead, said Bilbo grumly. In the meanwhile, where is he? I would give a good breakfast to know. I hope he is not up the mountain looking down at us. That idea disturbed the dwarves mightily, and they quickly decided that Bilbo and Balin were right. We must move away from here, said Dori. I feel as if his eyes were on the back of my head. It's a cold, lonesome place, said Bomba. There was many drink, but I see no sign of food. A dragon would always be hungry in such parts. Come on, cried the others. Let us follow Balin's path. Under the rocky wall to the right there was no path. So on they trudged among the stones on the left side of the river, and the emptiness and desolation soon sobered even Soren again. Hold up. This is awesome, Brock's very true. Thank you, Playtime. As long as you enjoy it, man, we will continue to read. What are we going to read out of the Lord of the Rings series? No idea. No idea, my bro. Could be Witcher. It even could be bloody Warhammer for all we know, but I think I'll be reading till I'm like 102. Okay, here we go. The bridge that Barlin had spoken of that had found long fallen, and most of its stones were now only boulders in the shallow noisy stream. But they followed the water without much difficulty, and found the ancient steps and climbed the high bank. After going a short way they struck the old road, and before long came to the deep dell sheltered among the rocks. There they rested for a while, and they had such a breakfast as they could, chiefly cram and warm water. Damn. If you want to know what cram is, I can only say that I don't know the recipe, but it is biscuitish, keeps good indefinitely. It's supposed to be sustaining and can certainly not entertain, being in fact very uninteresting except as a chewing exercise. So I'm reading like Bilbo's thoughts right now. It was made by the lake men for long journeys. Yo, thank you very much, Stereo Noise, for the Optimus Prime. Thank you, brother. After they went on again, and now the road struck westward and left the river, and the great shoulder of the south pointing mountain spur drew ever nearer. At length they reached the hill path. It scrambled steeply up, and they plodded slowly on behind the other, till at last in the late afternoon they came to the top of the ridge and saw the wintry sun going downwards to the west. Is this before the dragon? I have no idea. Here they found the flat place without a wall. Oh, they bumped into Smaug already, but they got out of the mountain of 3 sides, but backed in the north by a rocky face. Yo, Ed, are you still here? In which there was an opening like a door. From the door there was a wide view, east and south and west. Here, said Balin. In the old days we used to always keep the watchman at the door behind. It leads into Rockwain Chamber. And kia ora, bro. I was also surprised to see your name on the stream awards. GG's, bro. Bro, I'm just as surprised as you are, my brother. I think a lot of us were, my bro. Geez, I don't know if I'm the first person from this country to be on that. Has Quinn been on that? It's been a long time since I've watched. Oh, kia ora, room. Yeah, we'll be back on Whakairo in the morning. In the morning, my bro. Where were we? Otherwise, we might have been longer warning of the coming of the dragon, and things might have been different. Still, here we can now lie hid and sheltered for a while, and can see much without being seen. Okay, not much use if we have been seen coming here, said Dory, who was also looking up towards the mountain's peak, as if expected to see Smaug perched like a bird on a steeple. We must take care of our chance of that, said Thorin. We can go no further today. Here, here, said Bilbo, and flung himself on the ground. He flung himself on the ground. In the rock chamber there would have been a room for 100, and there was a small chamber further in. More removed from the cold outside, it was quite deserted. Not even wild animals seemed to have use of it in all days of the Smaug's dominion. There they laid in their burdens, and some threw themselves down at once and slept. But the others sat near the outer door and discussed their plans. And all the talk they came perpetually back to one thing. Where was Smaug? They looked west, and there was nothing. East, there was nothing. In the south, there was no sign of a dragon, but there was a gathering of very many birds, and they were gazed and wondered, but they were no nearer understanding it when the first cold stars came out. Chapter 14. Fire and Water. I'm just going through 1, 2, 3, 4. We only got 4 chapters left, chat. Damn, okay. I might stop there for now. I need to tell you something. So to those that are all here, can I just get people just spamming aimlessly in the chats, please, so I know who's all here? Please and thank you. Please and thank you. I need to get a clip tonight too of the stream award stuff to post on Insta. Okay. This goes for you guys too. The YouTube. So it has been a while. It has been a very long while. Okay? But tonight it's going to be a good night. Why? Because tonight I'm officially dropping the first episode of the podcast. I've officially dropped the first episode of the podcast. It's something new that I've wanted to do, just something different. Am I nervous? Hell yeah I am. Hell yeah I am. I'll copy it and send it to you. There you go. Go through and have a watch. We're going to be dropping episodes when we can. I've got like 3 on me right now, or 4 actually. Wait. Yeah, I think we got 4 right now, and I'm going to try and release them weekly. So I hope that helps. Yeah, just something new to enjoy. So the main thing for Carve It Up is just mainly just wanted to interview people from the different platforms that we stream on. You know, we've come across a lot of interesting people along the way. Everyone that has a story. And it'll be cool to highlight. That's gonna be the main push of Carve It Up. So that's why I'm only reading 1 chapter tonight, so you can go through and enjoy that. Been a while, how you been? Crazy, NT? Well, brother, it's been a momentous day because I got nominated for a streamer award. Yeah. And I was out all day. No Wi-Fi, no anything, no data. And yeah, I got home to my... Got any special guests? Yeah, it's people that I've met through streaming. So one guy, Sly Will, is someone I've interviewed as well. And he was the first person to interview me in lockdown. Like my story. And now he is the cameraman for Navajo Sterling, who's in the UFC. And then we have another one of the bro Aaron, one of the bros from Twitch that I've met. I met him at my first PAX that I went to. So we did an interview with him. And then we did another interview with the bro Solly Kifs, who's a streamer as well. But I did that over in Melbourne, Australia. And another interview is myself too. Just, you know, I wanted to get my wife on one, but at the same time, you know, I don't want to show her to the world too. So yeah, that's happened as well. But yeah, first episode of Carve It Up is up. I'm about to finish soon, so you can go and all enjoy it and watch it yourselves. But yeah, like drop your comments as well. Let me know what you think of it. And yeah, if you have any suggestions on people who we should link up with, by all means, message me. Now, this is one guy I'd like to interview too. This guy right here. I was telling everyone about you, my bro, when we were going through our votes and how I didn't vote for anyone in the category other than you. This guy right here, Naughty Lifts, is my Marvel Rivals streamer. He's the only person that I watch within the category. Also, next year we do have Cinnamon Toast Ken as an interview. But it's just a matter of lining up those timelines. And we've got like 5 other people that are keen to be interviewed too. So keep in mind, it's just mainly for laughs and fun. That's all. I'm not trying to be the next, you know, Joe Rogan, the next Two Broke Souls morning shift. I'm just doing it for fun. And it's something new for me to do and add to my YouTube channel. Cinnamon Toast Ken. Yeah, once again, find it if you haven't already. Go through to the link. Go over to Streamer Awards and vote for your boy. I'm going to do a vertical clip tonight just so I can post it on Instagram. My Instagram has been popping off lately. Yeah. XQC could hopefully be one. Yeah, I guess at the same time, I'd have to genuinely get to know him more. Because I know Ken. I've been role-playing with him for a couple years. And then I met him at PAX as well. I don't want to be that guy and just say, yo, XQC, you said my name. That us. I want to genuinely get to know a person first before we start. I don't know, I just feel like for me, like making a genuine connection first is better in my mind. Like I guess I'd feel more comfortable instead of trying to, like, you know, keep ourselves together and talk to one another for the first time kind of thing. So that's my, like, reasonings behind it, pretty much. If that makes sense. Does it make sense? I hope it does. Okay, well guys, I am going to finish up stream. I want you all to go through and enjoy the new YouTube video. Yo, Naughty, if you're down, brother, we should run a episode. It's all just for fun, my bro. That's pretty much all it's for now. I'm going to love and leave you Twitch, YouTube kick. That is us for the evening. GG. I'm going to send you to my boy Sunny, who is pushing for partner. So hopefully, you know, a raid will help him get to his goal. I will see you all in the morning. Whakairo in the morning, okay? We're going to carry on with the tiki. We're going to carry on doing that carving. Hey, yeah, bro. Oh, we'll have a yarn in the Discord first, my bro. And let me get together some questions so we can run it properly. For now, GG's. That's me. Go over and show some love to Sunny, who's pushing for partner. I'll see you later. Sunny Movement on Twitch, YouTube, and Kick. For now, I'm gonna love and leave you. GG's, alright? And thank you to all those that have nominated me already. Ka kite.